Article 125 delaying release. The penalties provided for in Article 124 shall be imposed upon any public officer or employee who delays for the period of time specified therein the performance of only judicial or executive order for the release of a prisoner or detention prisoner or on duty delays the service of the notice of such order to said prisoner or the proceedings upon any petition for the liberation of such person. Number 1. What are the three acts punishable under Article 126? Three acts are punishable under Article 126. Number 1. By delaying the performance of a judicial or executive order for the release of a prisoner sa pamamagitan ng pag-antala ng pagsasagawa ng utos mula sa korte o ehekutibo para mapalaya ang bilanggo. Number 2. By unduly delaying the service of the notice of such order to the said prisoner sa pamamagitan ng sobrang pag-antala ng pagbigay abiso sa gayong utos patungo doon sa bilanggo. Number 3. By unduly delaying the proceeding upon any petition for the liberation of such person sa pamamagitan ng sobrang pag-antala ng paglilitis ng kahit anong kahilingan para mapalaya ang bilanggo. Number 2, what are the elements of delaying release? Elements of delaying release. Number 1, that the offender is a public officer or employee na ang may sala ay isang opisyal, publiko o empleyado. Number 2, that there is a judicial or executive order for the release of a sentenced prisoner or detention prisoner or that there is a proceeding upon a petition for the liberation of such person. Na merong utos mula sa korte o ehekutibo para mapalaya ang sentensyang bilanggo o detinadong bilanggo o na merong paglilitis patungkol sa kahilingan para mapalaya ang bilanggo. That the offender without good reason delays. Number 1. The service of the notice of such order to the prisoner, or number 2, the performance of such judicial or executive order for the release of the prisoner, or 3, the proceeding upon a petition for the release of such person na ang may sala na walang magandang rason ay nag-antala. Number 1, ng pagbigay abiso sa gayong utos patungo doon sa bilanggo, o number 2, ng pagsasagawa ng utos mula sa korte o ehekutibo para mapalaya ang bilanggo, o 3, ng paglilitis patungkol sa kahilingan para mapalaya ang bilanggo. Number 3, what is an example of delaying release? An example of delaying release: for failure to prosecute because the witness of the prosecution did not appear, the case was dismissed and the judge gave an order to release the accused. The jailer refused to release the accused notwithstanding that order of release until after several days. Dahil sa bigong pagsakdal sa kaso kasi ang testigo ng taga-usig ay hindi humarap, ang kaso ay madidismiss at ang huwes ay nagbibigay ng utos para mapalaya ang akusado. Ang taga-piit ay tumangging palayain ang akusado kahit na mayroong utos sa pagpapalaya hanggat natatapos ang ilang araw. Number 4, who are the most likely to violate under Article 126 delaying release. The public officer who are most likely to commit the offense penalized in Article 126 are the wardens and peace officer temporarily in charge of the custody of sentenced prisoner or detained prisoner. Ang opisyal publiko na pinakaposibleng makagawa ng pagkakasala na pinaparusahan sa Article 126 ay ang mga tagapiit at alagad ng batas na pansamantalang may obligasyon na ilagay sa kanyang kustodiya ang sentensyang bilanggo o detinadong bilanggo. Article 127 Expulsion. The penalty of prison correctional shall be imposed upon any public officer or employee who, not being thereunto authorized by law, shall expel any person from the Philippine island or shall compel such person to change his residence. Number 5. What are the two acts being punished under Article 127? The two acts are punishable under Article 127. Number 1. By expelling a person from the Philippines sa pamamagitan ng pagpapalayas ng isang tao palabas sa Pilipinas. Number 2. By compelling a person to change his residence sa pamamagitan ng pagpilit ng isang tao na lumipat ng kanyang tirahan. Number 6. What are the elements of Article 127 Expulsion? Elements of expulsion: that the offender is a public officer or employee, na ang may sala ay isang opisyal publiko o empleyado. Number 2, that he expel any person from the Philippines or compels a person to change his residence, na nagpapalaya siya ng kahit sinong tao palabas sa Pilipinas o namimilit ng isang tao na lumipat sa kanyang tirahan. Number 3, that the offender is not authorized to do so by law, na ang may sala ay hindi otorisado na gawin ang mga iyong bagay sa pamamagitan ng batas. Number 7, what does the phrase not being thereunto authorized by law? Only the court by a final judgment can order a person to change his residence. Ang korte lamang ang sa pamamagitan ng final judgment ang makapag-utos sa isang tao para lumipat ng kanyang tirahan.